of the ceremony asked me to be her assistant to help find the missing candy. There's a cute little rabbit here that my little baby Riley Rose loves to play with, and I don't know, it's got funny thing about its eyes. I shall go and see myself. Hello, little bunny. Is it true that you make all kinds of funny little noises? Huh? It goes drop dead on me. Ah, it come back to life. You little bunny, what do you say about missing candy? Do you know anything about missing candy? Squawk, squawk, candy, squawk, squawk, Fifi-laroo, Fifi-laroo, coo, Fifi. I think that the birds, they're detectives. I think they're trying to tell me something about some little pet named Fifi who is taking some kind of candy. I must go and take a good shower and find out exactly what they mean. There's nothing like a good shower, and then I put on my ghost outfit and tacky outfit. No one knows it is moi, the beautiful luscious, to go and check out exactly what is going on in Pet City. There, nice and clean, back to my ghost.